Tortoise Capital. It is April 7th, 2026. So the visual daily market update. So we're going to slide forward one day. Price went up a fraction. The mechanical entry in both directions adjusts. Pull this down. The days 2 to 4 slide over. Days 6, the 10-day slides over 6 through 10. We adjust the regression line. That's where it started from. Just going to slide that over. The stop of the PSAR increases. We keep the baseline, but we move the PSAR adjust. I noticed the RL10 went from winter to spring. We're getting pretty close to making this 30 period PSAR flip. Adjust the 30 period regression line. Got to adjust the SMA 30. For that projection. Still sloping down. Okay. Slide out to look at the 270 is adjusted. We're going to slide the 30 period over 1. And this is the slide. The 270 or the 150 slides over. And that's our new shape. Cautiously optimistic. Take a look at the 150. That's what we got. All right, looking good for tomorrow.